Hello everybody. Today I want to look at using the curve tool to create polygons like we did in the last lesson, but this time also using the construction plane in order to get the correct alignment that we may want. Now you might remember, let me create a geo node, that when I use my curve tool, let me create a curve, and I want a curve polygon tool, and if I go and I want to create one just on this flat plane here, I view my camera towards that flat plane, and there I get my shape, and you can see it's correctly aligned there. But let's say I wanted to have it, remember, if I'm looking through the camera this way and I create my polygon, I can do that, and you see it's correctly aligned with this plane here, this straight plane. But I want to, let's see if I can go back here a little bit. Let's remove all of this, and this time what I want to do is use my construction plane. So I'll turn on my construction plane here, and you can see here that now I can draw directly on this construction plane. So again, hit the enter key so I can go into my curve tool, and you'll notice that I'm creating this on the construction plane. Even if my camera is now looking forward instead of downwards, and I tap my construction plane, I'm still creating on the construction plane. Nice. But what about if I want to change the angle of this? Maybe I want it at 45 or 33 degrees or whatever it is. What I can do is hit the slash key. This will take me into my construction plane settings, and I can move my construction plane to wherever I want it to be. So maybe I want it there. Okay, hit the slash key again to come out of it, and now again I can draw directly on the plane, and you can see when I turn around it's displayed correctly there. Turn off my construction plane and I'm back into my regular view again. Okay, I hope that's useful. If you have any comments, questions or criticisms, of course, please leave them in the comments below, and you guys have a great day. Okay, goodbye.